Welcome, radiant souls, to this guided meditation around boundaries. The intention of this meditation is to have you connect to your deeper power, allowing you more confidence, safety, and authenticity around expressing and connecting to your boundaries. I invite you to get into a comfortable position, whether it is sitting or lying down, whatever resonates with you in this moment. Feel free to pause the video and come back. For those who are ready, I invite you to get comfortable and close your eyes. Do a quick inventory of your energy in the body. See if there are any areas of tension, of congestion, any areas that you are holding on. Without judgment, for there is no judgment in healing. Just become aware of where your energy lies in this moment. Beautiful. Now I invite you to take 3 deep, loving breaths. I invite you now to think of how you feel around boundaries. Imagine setting a boundary with a colleague, your boss, your partner, your children. Choose one area and think about setting that boundary. Notice how it feels inside of you. How does your body react to this idea of setting a boundary? If any judgment is coming up, take a beautiful breath of white light and release, inviting in compassion, for there is no judgment in healing. Feeling the energy that you are having towards this boundary setting, whether it is fear, anger, frustration, whatever it is, feel this energy. I know it might be a little uncomfortable, but I ask that you stay with it. As this energy begins to grow in your body, you notice in your mind's eye that a beautiful stream appears in front of you. This stream, you can hear the water. It's clear. There are stones inside of it, giving a beautiful ripple of waves. Feeling the energy in your body, invite it to your hands. Bring this energy with focus and intention, using the direction of your breath if you would like, to bring this energy out of your head, your chest, your legs, wherever it is, and into the palm of your hands. You might notice that your palms begin to tingle or vibrate. They might heat up. If you are feeling this, it is okay. And if you are not feeling this, it is also okay. Bringing the energy of this boundary into your hands, I invite you now, with love, with intention, bathe this energy, bring it into the stream in front of you, dropping it slowly into the water, feeling the beautiful waves, the beautiful water washing away any of this energy that no longer serves you. Giving thanks to the energy that is being washed away. Whether it was fear, anger, just give thanks to it, for there was wisdom and reason behind it. Although it no longer serves you, you are grateful for whatever it was meant to serve. Wash away your hands now, washing them in the water in this beautiful stream, knowing that you have released that which no longer serves you. You are cleansing your hand as you invite in the refreshing water, feeling your power and choice as you move forward. As you bring your hands out of the stream, you might notice a tingling sensation still. That is okay. Imagine now that a beautiful ray of sun is beaming down on you from up above, radiating you, charging you with love, with light. You are wise, intuitive, and powerful. Whatever it is that you feel around boundaries, may it be transmuted. May the energy which no longer serves you be washed away. May the beautiful rays of the sun and universe shine on you. Give thanks to the sun. Give thanks to the stream. Give thanks to your boundaries. Give thanks to you, to your body, to your mind. Thank you for choosing to carve out this time for yourself. Taking 3 big, beautiful, loving breaths. I invite you now to come back to the present moment. You can wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, roll your neck or your shoulders, and whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to the present moment. Thank you so much for choosing you, for choosing this moment to release and step into your boundary power. In doing so, you will be inspiring so many others as well. Thank you. Be sure to save this video as a resource if it resonates with you. And know that you can always reach out to me. Know that I'm here as a resource for you in whatever capacity I can be. I've got your back. Remember, together we radiate. Together we rise. Have a beautiful day.